Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing cloud nails. Super cute. I'm going to start off with Beetles Gel Polish number 998, and we're going to do 2 thin coats.
Kick.
Now I'm going in with Model 1's matte top coat. This is a pretty good top coat. It doesn't work very well for pigments though. Next I'm going in with Rosyland gel paint in white. It's alright, not too bad, it could be better. I've never done cloud nails before, so I wasn't sure how this was gonna go, but I think they actually turned out cute.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
It's kind of hard to tell when to stop putting clouds. Like, when's enough, you know?
Good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one.
Okay, so I need to know if I should, next video, keep all the steps in like I did this video, each nail, or if I should skip through doing clouds on 2 or 3 nails so that it's a quicker video. I need to know which one you prefer, okay? So let me know in the comments.
If you don't start a conversation.
Look at how I just messed up, but look how easy it is to fix. You know.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.
Next, I'm going in with Model 1's base coat on all the nails. That way I can put some glitter in it. So I'm going to be using this glitter and this glitter. And I'm going to be putting them outside of the clouds. And then I'm going to go in with a finer glitter and put those in the clouds, okay? Next, I'm going in with this Beetles top coat on all the nails because we are done, baby. On that middle nail, I'm gonna put these gems, they're not gems, these things on them. You'll see here in a minute. I'm not sure if I like them, but I left them on, so hopefully you guys like them. There they are, those things right there with my handy dandy Crayola crayon. I don't have one of those wax stick things. That's okay. But that is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Comment, like, and subscribe.